Welcome to DISA's industry video introduction of the National Background Investigation System, presented by the NBIS Program Management Office. The information provided in this briefing is for general information purposes only. It does not constitute a commitment on behalf of the United States government to provide any of the capabilities, systems, or equipment presented, and in no way obligates the United States government to enter into any future agreements with regard to the same. The information presented may not be disseminated without the express consent of the United States government. This brief may also contain references to the U.S. government future plans and projected system capabilities. Mention of these plans or capabilities in no way guarantees that the U.S. government will follow these plans or that any of the associated system capabilities will be available or releasable to foreign governments. Today's agenda includes an introduction from Mr. Martin Gross, Director, National Background Investigation System, a discussion on acquisition with Mr. Christopher Catlin, NBIS Program Manager, a discussion on capabilities by Mr. Sheldon Soltis, NBIS Requirements and Transition Manager, and a discussion on architecture with Dr. Glenn White, NBIS Chief Engineer. We will wrap up with a summary of all the important information you hear today.
I am Martin Gross, the Director of the National Background Investigation System Directorate in the Defense Information Systems Agency. I welcome your review of these videos in support of our request for information. In June 2015, the Office of Personnel Management discovered cyber breaches within the federal investigative system that resulted in the theft of personally identifiable information for approximately 22 million people, including federal employees, military personnel, contractors, and family members. In light of increasing cybersecurity threats and the compromise of information housed at OPM, the administration initiated a 90-day suitability and security review to examine reforms to the federal background investigations process. This review was conducted by the Interagency Performance Accountability Council. The President's National Security Team approved a set of recommendations developed by the PAC to modernize and fundamentally strengthen how the federal government performs background investigations. The recommendations include creating a new entity to perform investigations, the National Background Investigation Bureau, which will be housed within the Office of Personnel Management, while tasking the Department of Defense to architect, design, build, secure, operate, and maintain a new national background investigation system to replace the current OPM background investigation systems. The Department of Defense assigned this task to the Defense Information Systems Agency in the second quarter of fiscal year 2016. DISA is currently making preparations to stand up a new program management office to manage the acquisition of the NBIS system starting in fiscal year 2017. The new Program Management Office will partner with OPM, the National Background Investigation Bureau, the DoD-CIO, and the PAC and other stakeholders to deliver the new background investigation IT capabilities. Our focus will be to incorporate security into the fundamental design of the systems, strengthening the security of the data environment and providing robust privacy protections. We will use the latest modern technology in order to protect the sensitive information used to effectively adjudicate investigations and bring the fullest security resources to bear against increasingly sophisticated and evolving threats by leveraging the Department of Defense's significant national security, information technology, and cybersecurity expertise. There are three reasons for the release of these videos. One, to inform industry, stakeholders, and other federal agencies on Defense Information System Agency's approach to replacing, modernizing the legacy background investigation system. Two, to project potential acquisition opportunities for both small and large businesses. And three, give our industry partners an understanding of the technical architecture to strengthen the request for information responses and communications. We look forward to working very closely with our industry partners as we deliver these critical national capabilities.